This is everything you need to know to paint a front door. Hi, my name is Dave, and do you know your front door can completely change the facade of your house? So why not give it that wow factor by giving it a coat of paint? Let's get into it. Straight off the bat, we're going to take the door down, remove it from its hinges. You can remove the hardware if you like, but we're just going to tape it up and paint around it. So we place the door on these Sawhorses on a nice steady surface, and we're going to give it a good sand with this detail sander like this one, so we can get into the crevices nice and easily. We're going to use an undercoat with a stain blocker in that's going to stop the previous paint seeping through, affecting the new colour. So I'm going to use this one. It's a 3-in-1. It's got a stain blocker, a primer and also an undercoat all in one. Once dried, give it 2 coats of an exterior water-based paint. We're using a semi-gloss paint in the colour Moringa by Dulux. Lastly, it's time to hang our freshly painted door. So there you have it, a beautifully painted front door that has all the wow factor that you need. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.